Hi, this is Jackie with WTI, and as I got ready for the day, I thought I might want to share some products with you. And this, It's a 10 leave-in conditioning spray is a 10 in my book. So it does 10 things for your hair. I can't remember all of the things, I just know it works really well. It makes your hair silky, smooth, it protects it from heat, it smells great, it helps to protect my color-treated hair. You can see I'll spray it at my hand. It's a spray, so I really like that because it's easy to get out of the bottle and into your hair. So I'll put that there, but I would normally spray it on my hair, just a couple sprays, and rub it in a little. You can use like a wide tooth comb to spread it around, and then I'll blow dry my hair, use hot tools, and I'm gonna put a little extra spray in my tips, and it's gonna keep my hair safe and also help it to hold the style as well. So it's a 10 leave-in conditioner. I love it, and that's my point of view.